Welcome to Solflare Wallet versus Slope Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Solflare Wallet and Slope Wallet, focusing on their features, target users, and usability to help you choose the right wallet for your needs within the Solana ecosystem. Solflare Wallet is a comprehensive, non-custodial wallet designed for the Solana blockchain, offering support for SOL tokens, Solana-based NFTs, and DeFi applications. It's available as a mobile app, browser extension, and web-based interface, providing flexibility and accessibility for different users. Key features include staking, ledger hardware wallet integration, and phishing protection, ensuring secure interactions with Solana's ecosystem. Additionally, Solflare supports multi-signature accounts, making it a great option for users who value security and collaboration, especially in institutional or group setups. Its interface is user-friendly, yet packed with advanced functionalities, catering to both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. Slope Wallet, also focused on Solana, offers a lightweight and straightforward solution for token management, DeFi, and NFT trading. It's available as a mobile app and browser extension, prioritizing simplicity and speed. Slope Wallet integrates seamlessly with various Solana-based dApps, making it ideal for users who frequently interact with DeFi platforms and NFT marketplaces. It features a built-in DEX for token swapping and supports staking for SOL tokens. While Slope is simpler in design compared to Solflare, it provides an efficient and smooth experience for users who prefer a minimalist wallet without excessive features. When comparing the two, Solflare Wallet is the better choice for users seeking advanced features like multi-signature support, phishing protection, and a broader range of security options. It's suited for those who want a well-rounded wallet that excels across all Solana use cases. On the other hand, Slope Wallet is perfect for users who value speed, simplicity, and a lightweight solution for managing tokens, staking, and interacting with dApps. Both wallets excel in their own ways, so your choice depends on whether you prefer feature-rich functionality or minimalist ease of use. Explore the links in the description to try them out and decide which one suits your needs best.